Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on September's Boxy Luxe. And for those of y'all who don't know what Boxy Luxe is, it's basically an extension of Boxycharm. You get it every 3 months and you pay 50 bucks and you get like 10 items every time. So every time it rolls around, it feels like Christmas to me. I just wanted to show y'all my YouTube pillow. Tell y'all that I just got back from California, so keep in mind that I will be having California vlogs. I went to Sephora, I went skydiving, so I'm so excited to share that with y'all. And we're gonna get into the box, but before that, I'm gonna go do my comment shoutouts. And the two people that commented on my last video first are Terrabound Beauty and Jackie Naturals. So thank y'all for having your post notifications on, and if you want to be next video's shout out, just be one of the first people to comment on my videos, and it makes it so much easier if you turn on that bell. So if you're interested to see what I got in my box, just continue watching. So this month's theme was Boxycharm All Access, and that's how the theme looks. And I got variation number 5L. The first product in my box is the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. This is the inside. I think it's really pretty and kind of gives like a little bit of Anastasia Prism vibes. So I'm interested to find out the performance of this eyeshadow palette. The next item in my box is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. And this retails for $52. Wow, okay. I know Dr. Brandt's expensive, but this is small. $52. This is how the mask looks on my hand. And I look forward to trying it. Interesting. So that's one of the things I do love about Boxy. You get skincare that you wouldn't purchase for yourself, especially because of the prices. And so far I've had a lot of hits, a few misses, but it smells really good. And I'm hoping it's a hit because usually Dr. Brandt is a hit. The next item in my box I'm actually really excited for. It is the Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner. And this is in Blackety Black and it retails for $20. So I'm about to open it, swatch it. I'm excited for this because I do own one Hank & Henry product, and that is the Rich Luxe Times Hank & Henry lipstick. And I do have another one for my future giveaway. And I love it. So I'm hoping this thing does not disappoint because I love black eyeliners. I'm all about that wing. Oh, this is not black. Is this black? It looks brown. This is Blackety Black. Oh, okay. It is, well, no. It looks brown on the camera too. But it's black. It's black. False alarm. I thought the tip would mean something, but it doesn't. So that's how it swatches. The next thing in my box is the Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Patina. I did not know that these were a thing. This retails for $22. It doesn't look too shimmery, so I'm hoping it's not because I'm not into glitter. It's actually really pretty. It doesn't seem like it'll be too shimmery. I'm gonna put it over Celebrity Skin real quick. I'm okay with it. I thought it'd be like glittery, but it just is like a little bit more iridescent than a regular liquid lipstick. So thumbs up for me, and it smells like cake. The next item in my box is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and this retails for $45. I did get this in my first ever Boxy Luxe, so I don't know why I'm getting this again. But this is going to be going into my giveaway bag, if y'all remember how she looks. She's kind of dirty, but I'm going to put this into that bag, so it'll be in my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. The next item in my box is something I'm the most excited for because I actually chose this one. It is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. And this retails for $65. It smells like cucumber. But I'm excited for this. I chose it out of like 2 options that they gave me. One of them was Watermelon Glow and the other one was this. It feels nice and smooth, kind of like the Tatcha cream, and it smells like cucumber. So that's kind of like reminding me of my favorite moisturizer right now at the moment, and that's the Volition Celery Green Cream. And I'm actually almost out, so I will be replacing this in my regimen with this. Super exciting. The next thing in my box is the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip, and this is $65. Hashtag Jackie Aina. I know you'll never see this, but whenever I hear you say dollars, I want to say dollars. And this is how that looks. It's huge. I'm not really a curling iron fan. I suck at curling my hair. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, gift this, or put it in a giveaway. But I'm still undecided with what I'm gonna do with it. Then last but not least, we have the IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. And I honestly didn't want this because I get so much hair stuff from BoxyCharm that, like, it smells good, it feels good. I'll probably use it, but I'm not the most excited for it. It retails for $29. It smells freaking amazing, but I don't know. I subscribe to BoxyCharm for hair care, and even in my surveys, I always say that I don't want hair care, and I don't like, I don't mind skincare. Like, I'm okay with getting skincare sometimes and getting hair care like almost never. And I feel like I always get hair care. But I did subscribe to BoxyCharm with the hopes of getting more makeup. There was a few makeup pieces, but I kind of didn't want this or the curling iron. Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. So right now I'm just gonna tally up how much my box is worth and come back to y'all with the total. So we are back, and the total was $327. And we paid $50 for this box. Was it a good box? Yes. Was it my favorite box? No. I pretty much liked all of the other Boxy Luxes before this one a little bit more. Like, there are some exciting things here, like this moisturizer makes me so happy, but like there are some disappointing things, like the curling iron and like the hair balm. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use them. I'll probably hand it off to my mom or gift it to somebody. I don't know. But beggars can't be choosers, as I said before. But even with taking out the hair balm and the curler, you still get a bang for your buck. And then you have some gifts. So I still say that BoxyCharm and Boxy Luxe are worth it, but that is up to y'all. I hope I helped y'all make your decision on whether or not you want to upgrade to Boxy Luxe. And stay tuned for those LA vlogs because they are coming. I skydived from 13,000 feet in the air, and I met my YouTube best friends, London Marshall and Crystal Ryan. So stay tuned. I think those might be my favorite videos that I've ever made. But have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.